This is room 351 in the Riverside Inn in Grants Pass. And it is a nice sized room actually. But first, let's go to the closet area. There is a big area for the closet, but a lot of it is actually taken up with the microwave, ice bucket, and refrigerator, but it's a really big refrigerator. So take a look at that thing. That's huge. Lots of space for all kinds of stuff in there. There is a full ironing board and iron, and a little thing to put your luggage on. And you can see the hanging space here though. Very restricted because of that. Now we have a regular bathroom with this little shelving cupboard unit. Regular, of course, toilet, as you would expect. And then a bathtub shower combination. It's your basic bathtub. And then going back out, this is the sink area. And there's also a little coffee maker here. There is a hair dryer. There is full power here as well. And of course a mirror. Hello. And let's go into the room. You've got this nice big mirror here and quite a large bed. Let's see. Now there is a balcony. This is the 3rd floor. You can actually see the river from here and the bridge, which is very nice. I will have another picture later when it's light, but there is a large, well, it's a good sized TV. It's not huge or anything. And this fairly good sized console. And I'm probably going to have to redo this part in the daylight. So it has, these are shelves, some drawers. They all drawers? Yes. And then another shelving unit here. This one only has one. Kind of what makes me wonder if there used to be the chiller in there, and then this one has 3. It's a bit dark, so it's kind of hard to see. Let's see. Remote control. Telephone. A fireplace. You don't get that very often. It looks like it's a gas fire, which is fine, and some lovely artwork. And artwork of the bridge here. And then this lovely king-size bed. We've got a nice nightstand. It's got a cubby at the bottom and a drawer. And some stuff in it. There is just the light here. There is no power that I can see, but let's see what's behind this. Oh, there's the power. Okay. There are 2 outlets behind this chair. They are both taken, one by the lamp and one by this clock that I'm sure hardly anyone uses anymore. Now over here to the desk area. It's a good sized desk. It's got a glass top. It does have much more in the way of power. It's a shame they don't use these lamps too. So there's 2 power outlets here, and the lamp also has 2 more. So that's nice. And then over here, you have one empty plug, and the other, of course, is taken up by the lamp. Oh, and this lamp, yeah, this lamp has power on it. The other lamp, did it? I didn't see it. I'll have to go check it again just to make sure. And then it's the same thing where you've got, you know, a little cubby area and another drawer. So yeah, that is room 351 at the Riverside Inn in Grants Pass, Oregon. Let me just check this one real quick. Did not feel one, no. No, this one definitely does not have a power of any kind. Hello everyone, Solo Sue here. I am on my balcony in Grants Pass, Oregon at the Riverside Inn, and this is the view. Look at this. We've got a gorgeous view of the Rogue River and the bridge that's going across it. We had geese here this morning, and I'm sure we'll have various critters throughout the day.